So, tita, no? Saan country po ba kayo currently residing ngayon, tita?
Yeah. I'm living in Switzerland since 37 years here. 37 years na ako dito, Switzerland.
So, may family po, tita, di ba? Sila,
Mayroon akong pamilya. Malaki na yung anak ko.
Si Ate Samantha.
Samantha at si Mark.
Anong motivation nyo po, tita, para mag-remain and choose to be residents of Switzerland, tita?
Ano kasi dito, hindi magulo, hindi yung lahat ba, yung arrange lahat, ang buhay, ang mga tao may trabaho, kung wala naman silang trabaho, mayroong binibigay sa government na pira, support sa mga taong walang trabaho, di ba? At saka ang life dito, yung hindi magulo, katulad sa atin. Talagang arrange lahat, plano lahat. Saka dapat lang dito talagang hindi mangging tamad. Kasi pag mangging tamad, wala mangyari sa'yo dito.
Opo, tita. What significant differences did you experience, tita, regarding in culture, work ethics, and environment, standard of living, and family orientation po, tita?
Standard of living we have here in Switzerland, we can afford everything, but also the living here is expensive, yung mga bilihin. At saka dapat sa the family, mayroon talagang insurances, health insurance, talagang ano yan, importante yan. Tapos ang culture dito talagang iba kaysa atin. We are very near the family here. Yung parang ano ba, yung idja-idja.
Opo, tita.
Ang family dito. Pero sa atin, compared to us, pero kami mga Pilipina, we are, nagbabanding din kami dito during Christmas, yung may mga anniversary, celebrate. So we are, kung gusto ko dito kasi mahapsay ang buhay. Hindi magulo. It's nice to live here, Switzerland.
Do you have any plans to go back to the Philippines, tita, or remain outside the country until retirement?
So I would work 2 years more from now. Then I'm planning to not really go back in the Philippines, but I'm planning to visit 4 months, and then the rest of the months I am here in Switzerland.
Do you have any suggestions, tita, for those who plan to migrate outside the country?
No, so when I think now that to migrate in the country is good, but you have to have money or work here. Because to migrate here is not easy because the apartments to live is expensive. Health insurances is expensive. Even though you are working as a nurse, hindi ba makasya ang sahod mo dito? Kukulangan talaga. Kaya the best, sa atin lang tayo. Sa atin mas maganda kasi mas mura dyan. At saka dito, hanggang buhay ka pa, magbabayad ka ng taxes dito. Sa atin sa Pilipinas, compared to Philippines, when you are 60 years old, you are pensioner, you are going to pension, you are not paying any more taxes. But here, we have to pay until we die.
Sige po, tita. Thank you po, tita.
Thank you din.
Si tita.
Sige, enjoy dyan. Good luck.
Keep safe, tita.
Okay.
Thank you po.
Bye-bye.
Si tita, bye-bye.